Which of the following is the largest part of the brain? A. Cerebellum. B. Cerebrum. C. Medulla oblongata. D. Hypothalamus. The normal pH of human blood is A. 7.0 to 7.20. B. 7.35 to 7.45. C. 8.0 to 8.50. D. 6.5 to 7.10. Which bone is also known as the collarbone? A. Scapula. B. Clavicle. C. Sternum. D. Humerus. The functional unit of the kidney is A. Neuron. B. Nephron. C. Alveoli. D. Hepatocyte. Which hormone regulates blood sugar levels? A. Insulin. B. Adrenaline. C. Thyroxine. D. Estrogen. A patient with myocardial infarction should be given aspirin to A. Reduce pain. B. Prevent blood clotting. C. Lower cholesterol. D. Reduce fever. Which of the following is a sign of pneumothorax? A. Bradycardia. B. Tracheal deviation. C. Hyperactive bowel sounds. D. Hypertension. The most common site for peptic ulcer is A. Stomach. B. Duodenum. C. Esophagus. D. Jejunum. Parkinson's disease is caused by the deficiency of A. Dopamine. B. Serotonin. C. Acetylcholine. D. GABA. Diabetic ketoacidosis, DKA, is characterized by A. Hypoglycemia. B. Metabolic alkalosis. C. Ketones in urine. D. Low blood potassium. Paracetamol overdose causes toxicity to which organ? A. Kidney. B. Liver. C. Heart. D. Lungs. Which drug is used for status epilepticus? A. Diazepam. B. Ibuprofen. C. Digoxin. D. Metformin. The first step in the nursing process is A. Diagnosis. B. Assessment. C. Planning. D. Implementation. A patient lying flat on their back is in which position? A. Fowler's. B. Supine. C. Prone. D. Lateral. Maslow's hierarchy of needs places oxygenation under A. Safety needs. B. Physiological needs. C. Self-esteem needs. D. Love and belonging. Tuberculosis is caused by A. Mycobacterium tuberculosis. B. Streptococcus pneumoniae. C. Escherichia coli. D. Plasmodium falciparum. Dengue fever is transmitted by A. Anopheles mosquito, B. Aedes mosquito, C. Housefly, D. Tick. HIV attacks which cells? A. RBCs, B. CD4 T cells, C. Platelets, D. Neutrophils. Malaria is diagnosed by A. Blood culture, B. Peripheral smear, C. Urine test, D. X-ray. Which part of the kidney filters blood? A. Glomerulus, B. Nephron, C. Ureter, D. Pelvis.